time, you're going to want to change your needle. For example, for the different types of fabrics you sew. For example, this is a stretchy jersey fabric. This is a sweatshirt fleece. In cases of stretch fabric, you're going to want to use a ballpoint needle. And they come in various sizes, whether you have lightweight, medium, or heavyweight stretch fabric. For non-stretch fabrics like wool, quilting cotton, silk, linen, those kinds of fabrics, rayon, you're going to want to use a regular point needle. They also come in various sizes, depending on if you're sewing light, medium, or heavyweight, non-stretch, or woven fabric. There are heavy-duty needles available as well. Some are designed for sewing denim, some for canvas, and some even for leather or vinyl. To change your needle, you may want to slip the presser foot off the machine just to have a little more room. It's a good idea to place a small piece of paper over the needle area so that when you're changing the needle, you don't accidentally drop the needle down into the machine. Use the screwdriver from your machine's accessories and place it into the end of the needle clamp screw as you lightly hold the needle with your left hand. Turn the screw to loosen the needle from the needle clamp and remove the old needle and discard it. Place your new needle up into the needle clamp, push it up as far as it will go, and tighten the screw. Remove the paper and replace the presser foot. For more information, refer to your machine's instruction manual, which is available online.